welcome to a night in my life. This is going to be a realistic night routine. In no way, shape, or form is this one of those like really aesthetic ones because that's just not my life. But I'm more than happy to share with you guys a realistic night routine as a 22-year-old. So let's get into it. I believe the time is currently like 6:20 and I got my hair done a couple hours ago and I'm feeling really nice and hot. Had a good little leg pump today. My booty is bootying. So I feel like today was just a really good day. So it's going to be a good night. Dolce! First step in the night routine, we're gonna cook dinner. Your girl's hungry. She worked out really hard today. So we gotta give us some protein, fill us up. On the menu tonight, we're having ground turkey taco bowls. Very high protein, lean, very good for you, very healthy, all the things. So first we have to shop for ingredients. Ground turkey, jalapeno, lettuce, scallion and cilantro, taco seasoning packet. This Yeti one is my favorite. And then I'm gonna do some corn. I'm gonna like whip up some corn, maybe like elote style, we'll see. Okay, let's get to making this bowl. Update, the scallions went bad, so we're not using these. So I decided for the corn, we're just gonna put it in a pot and put it on the stove, and I'm gonna put like garlic powder, salt, pepper, all that stuff, just to like warm it up and season it, and then I'll just like top it on the bowls. That was a bunch of different kind of peppers together, and then now I'm gonna do seasoned salt, garlic powder. I'm gonna do some nutritional yeast to get it kind of cheesy, and then I'm also gonna put some truff oil on it. I'm popping open a brand new bottle of truff oil, my favorite ever. So good, and I always love mixing this with corn because it just gives it like that good truffle taste. Corn and truffle, very good mixture. Plus nutritional yeast makes it cheesy, but you don't need a lot, you just need like that much. So good. Okay, so the ground turkey is done and so is the corn. Cecily's packing a little for her lunch tomorrow at work. So to assemble, you just need a base. I always do lettuce just because I try to stay away from rice if possible. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop, another scoop, and then like a little bit more because, you know, protein. And all of this mixes together and then like the juices go to the bottom. So there's plenty of like stuff on the lettuce, by the way. And then we'll do some tomatoes on top, a little bit of cilantro, a couple jalapenos. I'm gonna have some avocado I just cubed up. Oop, that one's a big chunk, but just putting that on top. We're gonna do literally a dash of sour cream, just something dairy, and then a little bit of this cheese too. I literally forgot the corn. It's okay. You're just gonna stick some on top. This corn tastes so good. Just put it like on the side or something like that. I don't know. It works. Okay guys, that's supposed to be my tripod. Here's what it looks like. It might look bland, but I swear it's good. I swear all my food's good. And then for my drink, I'm having a Poppy Doc Pop. This is my favorite flavor. It's so good. And it has 50 milligrams of caffeine, but it doesn't ever bother me, so it's fine. This is my very healthy meal. I'm pretty sure this is probably like 45 grams of protein because I did so much ground turkey. So cheers. Bon appetit. I'm gonna give her a taste test. Mmm, so good. Dinner was amazing. We just finished cleaning up and I have a little bit of a haul for you guys. I'm doing a full haul for my next video, which is Sunday, but I can't wait. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I mentioned in my vlog that I just posted a couple days ago that I'm throwing a Valentines party. So Le Creuset came out with some really cute Valentine's Day plates and stuff. So you know I had to get some things. Also, I will totally use this stuff year round, so it's like no big deal for me, but I got the mini heart bowls. They're so cute. They're like the pink. And I think in these, put like condiments or little things like that. They're like a very light pink. So got these, thought these were adorable. The next thing I got is this heart serving plate. How cute, this is adorable. I'm in my serving era, my hostess era. Love this. I don't know what's gonna go on this. Maybe like some sort of dip or, ooh, macaroons. Very cute. And then we have one more thing that I have to like kind of dump over because it's so hard to get out of the box. So I gotta get you the exact name of this, but it's like the, I think it's called the Heart Soup Pot Hearts. Something coquette. I'll have it linked down below, like the exact thing. But it's super cute. This is perfect for like a 2-person like make homemade tomato soup. I love it. It is very adorable. I will also use this year round. And then here's the lid. It's gold. And it has a really cute heart on it. So those are my 3 items from Le Creuset. Although I will go a little bit more in depth in them in my haul, so stay tuned for that. And I also have some other really good haul things that I got this week. I went shopping with my mom yesterday, so you guys are gonna wanna see that. Okay, it's 7:44, it's time to get ready for bed. My favorite part of the day is my shower routine. I think I definitely wanna do a more in-depth one for you guys, maybe in February, and like really talk about the products that I love in the shower, but in this video, I'm just gonna show them to you. I always start with washing my face, and my favorite face cleanser is the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This one is from Target. It's like a jumbo size. It's 16 ounces. So I love this one. It's just really good for my skin. I have oily skin, but it just keeps it hydrated and doesn't strip it, but it also takes off all my makeup. Next up, I go in with my body. So I use this before I use a scented body wash. I'm not sure if a lot of people do that, but I do. So I use this to just cleanse my whole body, typically like my under boob, my armpits, and then my booty, because I don't put fragrance on there. But I like to use this in like more sensitive areas, and then I'll go in with my favorite body wash, which is this bad boy. This is the biggest bottle they have. It's from Sephora. I'll link it down below for you guys. But this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Shower Creme Gel. It is so good. It's so nice and thick. It's also kind of shiny, like not like the product once it goes on you, but it comes out shiny. I'm gonna squirt it just so I can show you guys. Like that's what it looks like. Okay, it's kind of like running down a little, but it's really great. It rubs in like super nicely. It smells like coconuts and almonds and just the beach. It's perfect. So I use that over my whole body, and then my last step is a shower oil. This is like extra hydration. It really like locks in the moisture on my skin. This is definitely hydrating, but like this is an oil, so it's different, and it lathers. So this is from L'Occitane, I think that's how you say it. It's their almond oil shower oil. I just started using this. I've only used it like 3 times, but I'm obsessed. This is definitely a holy grail for me, so I'm very excited to keep using it. My skin feels like it has lotion on it, like after I get out of the shower. I ordered the really huge one on Sephora, and that's gonna be in my haul that I post on Sunday, so stay tuned. Also, sneak peek, this is totally going to be in a favorites video this month. I put a little on my hands, I rub it, it kind of lathers a little, and then I just put it all over my body, and oh my gosh, I am like glowing, but I'm also so moisturized and so smooth. Okay, those are all my shower products I'm using tonight. They're definitely holy grails. I'm gonna shower and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, I am back. I'm out of the shower. I feel so good and so clean. So I'm putting on this like slip headband thing. I don't really wear this too often, but I feel like I should start wearing it. I don't know if I have this on right. Okay, well, whatever. I bought a facial steamer the other day from Dr. Dennis Gross. I talked about my love for the LED mask in my favorites video that I just posted, so if you haven't seen it, go watch it. But I thought, let's add a steamer to the collection because I added the lip thing, I have the LED mask, and now I have a steamer. Facial steaming is really good to release sebum from your skin. It also helps just like breakouts, and it just like creates a really glowy face. I typically just stand up when I facial steam and just like sit on my phone. Guys, this feels so good. Last night was my first night using this, and I already noticed like my hormonal breakouts are so much better. You can also use it on your chest. You can just literally use it anywhere to get a good old steam in. There's just so many benefits. I'll link an article down below talking about like all the benefits of facial steaming. But last night I stood here for 10 minutes, and that's what I'm gonna do tonight. So I'm just gonna scroll. You guys, I just finished facial steaming, and I swear my skin already looks so much better, and it has like a glow to it. But we're gonna apply some skincare now because I'm ready to LED my face. For my skincare, I just use some Arazlo. This is like prescribed by my derm. I do that much, and then I will just like tap it onto my little face on like just the parts that I have like breakouts. Like I have some texture over here, and then definitely on my chin. Zoe Skincare, it's medical grade skincare. I do the Daily Power Defense. I do 1 pump, and then I just rub it in. And then my moisturizer, this is the Skin Better Science. It's also medical grade. It's the Trio Rebalancing Moisturizer. I typically use 2 pumps. because I like a good moisturized face and neck. And here we go. Time to rub in. I'm gonna use the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm for my lips. A little color, a little moisturizer. So I'm sitting in bed because I like to do my LED face mask in bed just because I like to wind down and relax. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross LED face mask. The only thing annoying about it is this continuously like comes out of this hole and it's really hard for me to figure out how to put it back together. So that's why I typically lay down because it like falls off my face. Like I don't know how to fix this. I'm gonna have to wait for a man to come to my house, like my dad or my brother or my boyfriend, to fix that. But anyways, I do red and blue light. I think it's timed for 3 minutes, so I do both of those. And then I would just put it on my face like this and then press this button and I'm good to go. There are so many benefits on red and blue light. I will also list an article down below for you guys. A lot of people think this is a gimmick, but I swear it's not. It has really helped like my skin so much in so many ways. Plump. I just don't have as much acne and my skin is just so like well surfaced. So I'm going to relax and use this a little bit more. So now I'm doing the pink / blue light. It's more of like a pink light, honestly. So I'm doing this now and then I am done. So I've done 2 of the reds, 1 of the blue, and now I'm doing the pink. You guys, my skin is feeling so good and it's looking so nice and glowy. Now to hydrate my body, I use the Vanicream moisturizing lotion for sensitive skin. I get this on Amazon and it just really moisturizes me, but it doesn't break me out. It also blends in super well. I don't feel like I'm like rubbing my body for like 10 minutes trying to get the lotion to absorb. So I use this and then I go on top of it with the Goop Beauty Afterglow body oil. I talked about this in my Sephora haul that I just posted and I said I would keep you guys updated on Goop, and so far I'm a freaking fan of their products. I really love this blush that I got, but I also really love this. Like I've used a good amount. I mean, it doesn't take that much, but anyways, so what I'll do is I'll go in with a pump of this and then I will just do a few little drops. I'll rub it and then I'll apply. This body oil is so good, keeps me so hydrated. Smells very yummy. It's not like too overpowering. It also says you can just like warm it up in your hands and then massage all over your body, but I like to mix it in my lotion. One thing about me is I have recently gotten really obsessed with body oils and like body products. Like, are you kidding me? I have to try out every lotion, every body wash, and every body oil. So I probably will do a roundup of my favorite body care items maybe in March because I need a little bit more time to test some other popular ones, but I think that's gonna be like my new thing, is like body care. I just love it. Okay, now the struggle is picking out pajamas. I just don't know what I want to wear. It's always so difficult. I wore these the other day. Even though like I washed them, I feel like I just wore those in a video, so I should probably do something different. I'm just gonna go for this classic black Victoria's Secret pair. Okay, this is just a cute little simple set. Nothing much to it. And guys, this is all my stuff for my haul. I mean, I have way more, but this is like some stuff for my haul. You guys should get really excited because I have some designer purchases and then also tons of Aritzia stuff too. It's time to make my sleepy time tea, so let's get into it. I talked about my Smeg water kettle in my favorites video that I just posted. It is seriously the best, so I'm gonna use that and make my tea. You guys, that is how I make my nighttime tea. If you didn't get a fully like good look at it, then it is that Yogi. It's the bedtime tea, and then I use the magnesium from Sephora. I purchased it on there and I let it steep. It turns pink and it's so good. It's 9 o'clock and I'm in bed and it's the best feeling ever. So I'm gonna drink my tea, read my Bible, but I'm gonna end out the vlog here. And of course I always brush my teeth, but I'll do that like when I'm actually going to bed. I probably have about 45 minutes until I'm like actually gonna go to bed. But I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my non-aesthetic nighttime routine, but it's functional and it works for me. And maybe I can do another one soon, like make it like a little bit better and a little bit more aesthetic and more self-care. But I had a lot going on tonight, like behind the scenes of just like work and stuff, like taking calls and stuff. So like from my parents between me filming. So I just have like a lot on my mind. Nothing bad at all, but I just had a lot going on. So I'll try to do one soon that's like an aesthetic one and make it all cute. That'd be like a vibe. But I love you guys so much. I'm gonna drink my tea. My motivation for you, my dogs are playing, but my motivation for you tonight is to just continuously push and plug and continue to be super consistent with everything that you want to accomplish in life, because it's gonna happen when you're consistent and you have that discipline that I talked about previously in a video. Sorry, my dogs are going crazy. Then you can accomplish so much. So I love you guys. I'm gonna let my dogs play, get out their little zoomies before bed, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye guys.